driveway will enter out onto Route 29 as close to a right angle as we can get. As you can see, we'll have a culvert across there where it enters the pavement. As you can see, it's a busy spot, and we had to make it as safe as possible. Driveway will proceed on up the hill. It's already been grubbed to this point. There's still a little bit of vegetation that needs to be taken out. And they'll proceed, and the house will be setting up on the hill where you see the machine up on top. This is a cleared building site that we have. And you're looking at the leach field over there to the far side.
Over here. Over here?
Yep.
Okay.
And that's really about it for right now. Just it's all cleared and ready for digging.
You're starting to backfill it in.
Yeah.
Right now.
What I was going to say.
What's this, a bathroom over here?
Half bath.
Half bath? What's this going to be, the living room?
It's going to be the living room. Well, yeah, this is the living room. And the fireplace is there.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's nice. Time through the house, everything is done. They just had their closing, or they're getting ready for the closing? Getting ready for their closing, so carpeting's down. And they had somebody come in and clean today, so it's all clean and ready. You guys already bought the appliance that goes over here?
Yeah.
What is that, the stove?
Washed
Range?
refrigerator and stove, yeah.
Range and refrigerator, they're coming. Beautiful. Now I can see their beautiful hardwood floors. They were under all the construction before. I couldn't see them. Light fixture. And then beautiful tile. Beautiful fixtures on, the lights are all in. Got the porch on. I guess I'll have to go out. It's raining, so I can't really videotape from out there. I'd have to do that another day. Get that on. Okay, let's see. What do we have up here? And then go into the master bedroom and master bath. Getting ready to put that mirror on there. It hasn't been installed yet.